Hello everybody and welcome back to another visual pattern challenge. Here's our pattern today. Here's step 1, here's step 2, here's step 3. Your challenge is to predict the number of these, what are they, sort of no symbols, prohibited symbols in step 4. If you can do that, can you predict the number in step 43? And can you write an equation to predict the number of these symbols in any step at all? So that's the challenge. If you'd like to accept it, pause the video and see what you can do. Okay, so we've got these symbols in kind of a V shape, I guess, an upside down V shape. And I guess I'm going to think about it as like this, upright part and then the part going off to the right. So first there's 3 and 2. And then let's see, it looks like they add 2 here and they added 3 here. So 2 and 3 were added. Let's see if that same thing happens on this next one. So there were 5. Aha, so they added 2 more again, and then there were 6, and they added 3 again. So if I were to guess step 4, I'd say you'd add 2 more here, and you'd add 3 more here. So what would that be? 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I'm going to predict 20 for step 4. Okay, let's take a minute and analyze this pattern. I'm going to make a chart with the step number and the number of symbols in each step. So in step 1, we've got 5. In step 2, that is 10. And in step 3, yeah, that's 15. And we're predicting 20 for step 4. And you might be able to come up with an equation really quickly here just by looking at this. 5, 10, 15, 20 should look familiar. Those are just the multiples of 5. And in fact, they're 1 times 5, 2 times 5, 3 times 5, 4 times 5. So it should be no surprise that an equation for this is y equals 5x. You could have taken the difference between each step and find that they're 5 apart, and then know that that's going to be your slope in your linear formula, just like this. And then when you try out y equals 5 times the step number, you get 5. So you're done. Your equation is just y equals 5x. So that one's not too tough. And the last step of this, not too tough either. We're just going to plug 43 in for x, in for the step number, to get the number in step 43. So y equals 5 times 43. So 5 times 40 is 200, and 5 times 3 is 15. So this is going to be 215 of these symbols in step 43. Well, how did that go for you? Did you notice the multiples of 5 right away? Did that jump out at you? And were you able to arrive at this equation, y equals 5x? Let me know. Thanks, everybody.